We're thrilled to introduce our game-changing new offering, Recipe AI Services. We've taken our popular recipe management software and injected it with a dose of cutting-edge AI technology. Our AI services help you to refine and optimize your data by fixing your existing recipes and by filling in any gaps in your CALCMENU database. Here's how it can revolutionize your recipe data and overall business. For example, if you have a recipe in CALCMENU, but it's missing a concise description, our AI can assist in crafting one for you. All your recipes can now have descriptions assigned to them automatically. Here are some examples. And you'll have the opportunity to review them in Excel before they're securely saved in your database. Or maybe you need to assign keywords to your recipes, such as type of cuisine, dish type, or primary ingredient. Again, let our AI do the job. Additionally, our AI can comprehensively review your recipes, offering constructive feedback on both the ingredients and the procedure. You will receive a detailed report displaying your recipes, complete with the AI analysis directly below each one. The feedback from our AI is both thorough and easy to understand. See some examples. It is detailed and informative. You can contact us for more samples, or you can make a test on your own recipes. For now, we're rolling these capabilities out as a service. You just let us know what you need, and we will fine-tune the AI to generate the best possible results. Once the data is ready, you can either check it before it is imported into your EGS CALCMENU Web database, or you can access an online report. The choice is yours. Reach out to us at info@calcmenu.com to learn more. With affordability and efficacy at its core, our service is set to transform your culinary experience. Don't miss out.